Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the basic options in Dungeons of Dreadrock on Android. So first we need to open the game. Then when we'll be inside of the game, you need to press on this button right here. It's barely visible. You might have it on this side as well. Now we go to options, and from here we can change this options here to be on your left or right side. So I'm gonna go with right. Now lights auto, so that it changes the in-game lights. I'm just gonna show you all of the examples. Now it's off. Now it's auto on. And now it's force on. Next option is hints. So if you're struggling with a level and you can't beat it, you can enable hints, so the game will like always inform you. You can press this button to get information how to beat the level. And after 5 minutes if you're struggling, and never. And here you can just go to the data privacy page. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.